Hello my hair warriors, it's Aaron O'Brien here, and what are we here to do today? Yes, I'm here with my beautiful Steve, so it means we're going to be hard at work and showing you something really interesting. So you might notice Steve has a little bald spot, or we could say alopecia, and what's great for covering these are hair systems. So this is a kind of a DIY video on using Lordhair.com systems to be able to cover up these bald spots, to get value for money and something that's going to last you a long time. Today we're going to be using a thin skin freestyle system. This is great, it's easy to draw your shape and super easy to cut out. So to start off, I'm going to use a piece of plastic. I cut this from the plastic dome that I received with my Lordhair system. And you're going to need a permanent marker, or just a marker that works. You're going to place it over the bald spot and you're going to draw the shape of your bald spot, whether it's circular. In this case, it's kind of a wobbly circle. So what we're going to do is use this to cut a shape out of our thin skin hair system to be able to place into your bald spot. You're going to draw your circle with your marker around the piece, just like this. And then you're going to get cutting just inside that line. Once you've drawn your circle on the other side, or whatever shape your spot is, you're going to turn the piece the other way around, just like this. You're going to see the marker right through the system, and you're going to take the hair out of the way. You can take a bit of water and you're going to comb it down and away from your shape. This makes for easier cutting, and it stops you cutting into the rest of the hair that you don't want to take off. You're going to take your trusted scissors and you're going to start carefully cutting your shape out and being careful of all the surrounding hair. Once that's done, there you go. You have your hair ready to put in to your alopecia or your bald spot. Once your scalp is all clean, I always recommend using a little bit of alcohol on a cotton pad, and you're just going to dab the area to make sure it's really clean and there's no residue left on the scalp before you go into your next step. So now we're going to take our Sunshine Skin Prep and we're going to spritz it on the spot that we need. You're going to rub it in slightly and you're going to leave that for 10 to 15 seconds or until completely dry. You're also going to take your trusted Ghost Bond and stick it onto your little shape, your little piece. So you can either put this directly onto the scalp, or what I like to do is just put it onto the piece. It would help if I open the bottle. So you're going to put a little bit of the Ghost Bond, just a thin layer, just a very thin layer, don't overdo it. And you're gonna spread that throughout the piece, making sure you do not get any of the glue onto the hair. I like to use a brush, or if you want, you can just use your finger. And we want to make sure that we match just like a puzzle. You're going to place it in. Where is she? There she is. And you're going to gently place it just in the spot that you need to, and press down with a little bit of pressure. Before you do apply, make sure that your glue is tacky before you put it onto your scalp and it's not too wet. So I usually wait about maybe 1 minute before I do actually place it. No more bald spot, alopecia gone. This is a very simple trick, and you know what? You save a lot of dollars. You get a lot of those shapes out of one system. Well, look, I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck cutting shapes and putting puzzles back together. I know it'll be a lot of fun and you're gonna feel more confident. Thank you for watching my video, and it was great to be with Steve again. And thank you for Lordhair.com for sponsoring this video. I'll see you all again soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me, listen to me, learn more, educate yourself, and look more fabulous. See you guys soon.